renovating museums, working on collections, showcasing the National Museum heritage, equipping the Moroccan cartography, establishing new museums, and enriching the Moroccan cultural and artistic scene. It is in this context the Mohammed VI Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art was created. Innovation was also necessary in the management of this museum, including its energy management. This led to a collaboration between the Mohammed VI National Foundation of Museums and IRESEN, with the aim of equipping the museum with photovoltaic solar panels to reduce its energy consumption costs. Also, this project is the first of its kind implemented on a national and continental scale. This made Mohammed VI Museum to be the first green museum on the continent, and at the same time, this project will obviously allow us to be autonomous in our energy consumption.
The project integrates not only a rooftop installation that is coupled with Huawei 60 KTL inverters, but also a unique ground solar paving, which is the only one of its kind in Africa. The choice for this project naturally fell on Huawei due to the quality of its products, particularly the renowned string inverters, known for their flexibility, ease of integration, and cost-effective maintenance, and which also allows from compensate installation cost afterwards by their performance today that allows who are reputed on the market. Huawei's solutions also help offset installation costs and provide market-leading performance and optimized resilience to ensure optimal returns and long-term durability.